Hi guys, this is October the 20th, 2018. I'm standing in the shade, but we had quite a bit of rain yesterday, and I don't want to get any further out because the garden is muddy. But if you can look down there, I'll try to zoom in on it. I know it's pretty shaky. I'm trying to hold my camera. Let me see. That right down there is my husband and my brother. And those bumps you see in the garden, those are sweet potatoes. There's shade right here, so it's a little hard to see up close. But you can see the size my husband and my brother are, and look at the size of those sweet potatoes. I'm going to take another video when they get some of them picked up and brought into the greenhouse where he is going to store them for now, so he can put some heat in there so they won't freeze. And I'll bring you back when he gets some of them in there. I think there's a few in there now, and I'll go take a quick picture of those. Okay guys, I'm in the greenhouse, and there is a box of sweet potatoes. I would say almost all of those but a couple would probably weigh 8 to 12 pounds. I'm going to show you some more. Here's some smaller ones. They've got them sorted out somewhat. This is before they've harvested those rows of sweet potatoes. They're out there working on those right now. These were picked yesterday or dug up yesterday, and when it started raining they had to stop. Look at that one right there. And look at my fingers in comparison to that. That is one giant sweet potato. Look at that. Now that's a four-wheeler load full of sweet potatoes. Look at that one master's one. Wow. Look at that rascal. It's a big one.
You ready for another container? Yeah.
Well, this is October the 20th, four-wheeler load number 1. Of course, they pulled some yesterday. And it's sunny today, not quite so chilly. It started out pretty cool. Supposed to get quite a bit colder tonight. But they're washing the mud off of them, and they're going to let them dry down, box them up, set them in the greenhouse there. Well, what number of buggies did you say that was, Robert? 3.5? 2.5? This is the 2.5 four-wheeler full of sweet potatoes, and Wally's standing there washing them. Is that counting just today, or was you counting yesterday's in that? Okay, so this is just the second four-wheeler full. And they've already washed some, and I'm gonna go date you, or I'm gonna go catch you up as to what's in the greenhouse right now. And then I'm gonna show you he had to recruit some more help to try to get it done today. Okay. I'm gonna walk you around here to the greenhouse and show you what is in there right now. It's across my backyard. Now look, how many sweet potatoes. There's some more, they're starting to roll there. Okay, I'm going to step out to the garden and show you where the help is trying to help finish up gathering them. Well, we got a few more people out here, as you can see, that's helping to gather up. They're helping gather the remaining sweet potatoes. I think there was only like 2 rows. They about gathered them all up, looks like. But they'll have to get the four-wheeler out here to load them up, get them washed up, and put away. That's a full load, looks like to me. Well, there's the last of the 4-wheelers of sweet potatoes right there. And I'm gonna step around to the greenhouse and show you what they've done so far. Well, guys, this is what it looks like. Sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes. I'm being careful not to turn the camera the wrong way, but the sun may get in it. Sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, more down there and up here. And over here, all the way down. I've never seen so many sweet potatoes. I was just standing over there a minute ago looking this direction, but, and then there's a shelf full of sweet potatoes. Look at that big old sweet potato. Lots of sweet potatoes. My goodness. Okay. That's it.